Amidst the open countryside of Normandy, House G was designed as a residence that explores the relationship between modern wood construction, natural light, and a simple spatial experience. Rather than relying on complex forms, the house starts from the fundamental idea of how a home can provide comfort through honest materials and efficient spatial planning. Each element is designed to create a warm atmosphere while strengthening the connection between the occupants and their surroundings. The project was constructed using prefabricated wood panels that function both as structure and as space shapers. This approach enabled a rapid and precise construction process, while also imparting a distinctive spatial quality. The thickness of the panels is not hidden behind additional layers of finish, but rather left visible as part of the architectural expression. The result is an interior that feels solid yet warm, showcasing the natural beauty of the wood grain on every surface. Entering the interior, the spaces are structured as a series of interconnected volumes through openings carved directly into the wooden walls. Natural light is a vital element that enlivens the interior, entering through large windows and spreading gently throughout the space. The play of light and shadow created throughout the day adds dimension to the wood material, giving the house a feeling of constant change despite its simplicity. The main living area is designed as an open space that unites daily activities in one comfortable environment. The family room, dining room, and gathering area flow without rigid boundaries, creating a strong sense of community. At the same time, various alcoves and spaces created by the wooden structure create more intimate corners, allowing residents to find moments of tranquility within the home. House G demonstrates how good architecture doesn't always rely on grandeur or complexity. Through the use of honest materials, precise construction, and attention to the quality of space, this home provides a warm and homely living experience. Every detail works harmoniously to create a home that feels close to nature while offering comforts suited to contemporary living.